Welcome back to Car Tech Auto. Exterior of the 2026 Bentley Motorhome. Iconic Bentley design uses recognizable LED headlights, a prominent matrix grille, and graceful body lines as hallmarks of Bentley's design. It will probably have aerodynamic and contemporary features, premium materials to ensure maximum stiffness and fuel efficiency. Lightweight yet sturdy materials like aluminum and carbon fiber are used in body construction. Luxurious finishes, premium exterior paint choices, perhaps featuring Bentley-only hues and a sophisticated sheen. High-end automatic awnings, advanced exterior lighting systems, well-planned storage spaces, and perhaps an extensible back platform are examples of external comfort features. Exclusive wheels, huge, specially made alloy wheels that probably bear the recognizable Bentley B emblem. Inside, high-end luxuriance, the interior will be the epitome of luxury in cars. The best hand-stitched leather, exquisitely finished rare wood veneers, and precise metal accents will be the most common materials. Customizable layouts or range of interior layouts, such as choices for the number of beds, living room arrangements, and work areas, are probably available to accommodate client preferences. Luxurious bedding, personal entertainment system, luxurious linens, and a top-notch mattress will be installed in the master bedroom. Gourmet Kitchen. The kitchen will be furnished with top-tier appliances from leading manufacturers, including a built-in coffee maker, microwave, induction cooktop, wine refrigerator, and worktops composed of marble or granite. Spa bathroom with a separate shower, a high-end toilet, two basins, mirrors with built-in lighting, and opulent finishes. The bathroom will be designed to resemble a private spa. Technology and performance, strong engine. Although precise specifications are impossible to predict, the RV will probably be propelled by a high-performance engine that produces responsive, smooth performance.